everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. How are you today?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Good job. Now it's time for super slow. You gotta go super duper slow. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Good job. All right, now we gotta get ready to do it super fast. You ready? All right, here we go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Today's book for story time is Water All Around by Catherine Nichols. Water is all around you. Take a look. It's on the dew, on a web, on the oceans, and the waves. When water is a liquid, you can splash it, float on it, and blow bubbles with it. Water is good for drinking, and it is good for washing your dirty hands. Sometimes water gets dirty. The water in the river is brown here. It's no longer safe to drink. Animals need water. And so do plants. Thanks to water, these tomatoes grew big and red. When water freezes, it becomes solid. So where's the water here and the water here? Twee! The water in the kettle is boiling. The heat changes the water into vapor. When hot water meets cold air, steam is formed. What's happening here? The same thing. Deep inside the earth, hot rocks heat water and vapor rushes out. Tiny drops of water, too small to see, make up these clouds. The drops join together and make bigger drops. Now the drops are falling. It's raining, so it's time to open your umbrella. Sometimes too much water makes rainfalls. So other times there's not enough water on the ground, as you can see in this cracked earth, and plants can't grow. Brr, it's cold outside. Snow is falling. Snow is made of snowflakes. How many snowflakes did it take to build this snowman? Wherever you are and whatever you do, water is all around you. Remember, you can find this book on Hoopla. This activity is called Will It Sink or Float? For our toddler story time on water. What you will need is a plastic Tupperware bowl filled with water, a toothbrush, ponytail holders, a plastic bottle, a Crayola, and a pencil. And once you get all your supplies together, you can download this sheet that I made for you to use with your sink or float activity. It has the objects that I just listed for you to go look around your home to get, and it has a space for you to write a tally mark under whether the object is going to sink once we put it into our bowl of water or whether it's going to float. The first thing we want to do is we want to put in the toothbrush to see if it's going to sink or float. And as you can see, it is floating. So then you want to mark a tally mark under float next to toothbrush. The next thing you want to put in are your ponytail holders. And as you can see, one is floating and one has gone to the bottom. So I'm going to mark a tally mark on both because it looks like some might float and some might sink. And then the next thing you want to put in is your plastic bottle. And as you can see, it is floating. So I mark a tally mark there. The next thing you want to do is the pencil. And the pencil is floating, so I'm going to write a tally mark under float. And then the last thing you want to do is the Crayola. And the Crayola is very much floating as well, so then we write float for crayon. Well, I hope you enjoyed this experiment on whether the items in your home will sink or float.
Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Far, 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 we're going to the stars. Far, 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 we're going to the stars. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Far, 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 we're going to the stars. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Fun, 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 we're going to the sun. Fun, 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 we're going to the sun. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Fun, 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 we're going to the sun. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,